by this morning we have 39,784 convicts, 36,786 remands. We have 519 debtors, making a total of 77,089. Of them, women are 3,708. And the mothers with their babies are 284. The regions are still 19, and the stations are still 266. The staff keeping them are 14,330. My first major communication today is about declaration of standby class 1 from 15th of December 2023 to 12th January 2024. The Commissioner General of Prisons has issued standard operating procedures, SOPs, which will cover the festive season. During this period, the following must be strongly adhered to: strengthen and enhance prison security, intelligence, and coordination with other security agencies as you remain vigilant and alert. 2, conduct routine patrols around the prisons and within the barracks. 3, hired prisoners' labor is suspended. 4, staff leave is hereby suspended except cases which shall be handled by the regional commanders. Emergency cases that shall be handled by the regional commanders. 5, adopt a two-shift staff deployment to increase numbers and presence at all times. 6, prisoners' visitations are suspended. However, prisoners' items can be delivered at the prison gate. 7, officers in charge must be present in their units at all times and attend prisoners and staff complaints as and when they arise. 8, staff end-of-year parties are suspended. 9, intensify searches of prisons. 10, ensure that there is enough supplies to take you through this period. 11, control admission of prisoners in outside health facilities. 12, restrict unauthorized persons from entering the barracks. 13, officers in charge must submit daily situation reports to the Commissioner General of Prisons through their regional prisons commanders. And 14, ensure staff and prisoners get their Christmas meat in the right quantities as communicated in that reference dated 5th December 2023. Any officer in charge that breaches these guidelines shall be personally held responsible. For the specifics, I have left copies of this press release so that you can get it verbatim. 3, prohibition of staff from unprofessional conduct on social media. The Commissioner General, Uganda Prison Service, has issued a directive to all staff on misuse of social media, directing them to desist from posting unprofessional photos and videos while on duty. Any culprit to this act will be subjected to the prison's disciplinary procedures as stipulated in the Prison Standing Orders Part 1 of 2017, Appendix 6. It is a very detailed thing. All concerned officers must ensure strict compliance with the guidelines and provide guidance to the staff under their command accordingly.